is Joan, your independent Princess House consultant, and I am here to share with you our Period 7 2021 Early Bird Special. The Early Bird Special is something that is so brand new in our Vita Santa line. Check this out. It is our 1.7 quart hot and cold container. In the old days, we used to call this a thermos. Now let me share why you want to host a qualifying show to earn this amazing item. First of all, you can put both hot and cold in the 1.7 quart container. As you can see, as I'm removing the lid, there is an interior cabinet. Take a good look. And the interior container allows you to put both hot and cold items. If it's a hot item, it will maintain its heat for up to 5 hours. Cold items, 7 hours. What's really nice is this cup compartment that allows you to put an item on the bottom and put another item in the cup and place it on top. Then you seal it, and you can then continue to carry whatever you have inside. This is perfect for anyone who is on the go, particularly those who may work outside of the home. Also, those who may work in an office environment will find this enjoyable. And I even think on one of my road trips, I would be able to take a nice protein and a salad or protein and a soup. So I think everyone should enjoy this by hosting a qualifying show of $350 in sales and just one resulting booking. And you will be able to earn this for just $24.95. And you have from now until July 9th to be able to earn this amazing hot and cold container. The retail value is typically $119.95. Yours with the qualifying show for just $24.95. So what are you waiting for? And if you just want to add another little token to that early bird special, we have a $150 shopping spree. And that shopping spree is yours for just $29.95. You can enjoy the hot and cold container and the shopping spree, or you can choose one of the two, whichever you desire. So again, what are you waiting for?
Thank you.